Hi friends, how are you doing? Today we will learn how to add multiple rows in Excel. Open up your Excel worksheet. Usually to add the rows in Excel, you have to right click and select the Insert option. Go to the row you want to add, right click and you select the Insert options. But of course this takes time when you need to add multiple rows. Now, to add multiple rows, you need to select a certain row. Then, you hold the Shift key on your keyboard and you move your cursor or your mouse to the right hand corner of the cell you have selected, the bottom right hand corner. Then, you double click and drag down to the amount of rows you want to add. Then you release your hand. The rows will be added right away, as you can see on the screen. So that is how you easily add multiple rows in Excel. You can now input your data into cells. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful content like this. Bye guys.